Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Sajid, and you're watching my YouTube channel where I teach different programming languages. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to concatenate strings in Python. It's a very short video, so we will look at this just one concept, how to do concatenation. To concatenate or combine two strings, you can use plus operator. If you have idea of other programming languages like Java, there we can do the same thing. So here we can concatenate two strings or combine them with the help of this plus operator. So just look here, merge variable a with variable b into variable c. Yeah, so here we have, let's try this code. We have one variable a is equal to maybe my name, right, and b is equal to okay, and then we have c is equal to a plus b. Okay, and if we print c, what should be the output? It has combined them. So here we see, you see there's no space in them. So here we can, second example, if we want, we can introduce space as well. How? Like here we add another plus sign, we add a space. Yeah, okay, so right, this, like this. Now C is this one, and if we print C again, now you can see there's space in the middle. So let's wrap up the video here. It was a short video about a very small concept, concatenation, but it's important. Just remember that this works only with the strings. If you have one number and one part is string, it will not work, it will not concatenate them, right? So this is another concept which you should know. For example, right, if let's try, if a is equal to now 2 and I am doing this, now it gives unsupported operand types for a plus int and string. It means concatenation cannot happen between number and strings, it's only possible with strings. So you have learned this concept of concatenation, and you have seen that how it is done and where it is supported. So I'll be back with another video very soon. By the time, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Share the video with other colleagues and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.